Today on wood turning, recycle, we're going to make a Christmas ornament out of recycled plastic.
Tim's American Beauty was made by Robust Tools, America's premier lathe manufacturer. Robust, built to turn wood, enjoyed for a lifetime.
Easy Wood Tools, best-in-class carbide wood turning tools. I have people contacting me all the time saying, hey, try out my stuff. And this was weird. A company called Atlas Games. Michelle contacted me and she said, would you like to try out a turning blank? What? They make 6-sided, 8-sided die for gamers and things like that, and a lot of other plastic stuff, and they wind up with a bunch of junk left over. So they're compressing them and making them into turning blanks. And I kept looking at this thing going, okay, that's interesting. And we can't really say it's food safe, so you don't want to use it for that. But in this case, I decided, why don't we try making a Christmas ornament out of it? Because it's the holidays, why not? Cool. Before we get started, I want to thank our sponsors, Robust Lathes and Easy Wood Tools, because without their support, we wouldn't be here. And by the way, if you're looking for a lathe, give me a call because I'm an authorized Robust dealer. So this stuff is really fun to work with. It is just recycled bottle plastic, all sorts of stuff. I've got it held in my truck right now, and I'm going to bring my tailstock up. Tailstock? Yeah, my tailstock. That's what that is. Because I have a Jacobs chuck in here with a 1/2-inch bit. Going to turn the lathe on. I have this at slow speed. We're probably going about 340 RPM right now. This stuff will melt, I found out. So you want to go as slow as possible. But I want to drill a hole all the way through. And this chuck has a gap in it, so I'm not going to hit any metal by doing that. So I'll just get this all the way through, and then we'll start working on shape. So our ornament here is really pretty cool, and it's an interesting surface texture. You're not going to get shiny. Although I challenge you out there, if you get one of these blanks, let's see how shiny you can make it and then let me know how you did it. But it's really soft to the touch. It's just like a soft plastic. So we're going to make a shape. Might as well go for something round. Why not? That sounds like a holiday type of thing. We want round stuff during the holiday. So you want to bring your speed up pretty good. And you got to watch this one because it will melt if you're not careful. So this definitely cries out for carbide. But the shavings are the best things in the world. Let me clean this up on the edge real quick. So now it's round. Now we're going to start seeing, look at that. Isn't that cool? Whee! So the funnest stuff to do. And I've turned to other acrylics, resins, stabilized wood. This is the softest and most like butter thing I've ever turned. Hey, maybe we should turn butter. Good, I'm just trying to get an oval shape on here. I tried doing a sphere on the other one, and it's sphere-ish. I think I might go more ovalish here. But I just love the way this stuff turns. It is so cool. I'm having way too much fun. I want to show you something real quick. So, this is shiny looking. I haven't sanded it or done anything to it. It's just a tool finish. So, I'm going to leave it on there. I was able to take super delicate cuts with the carbide. You can see some lines, but it's shiny. I like that part. The other thing is, you can hollow this out if you want to. I have an artificial tree, so I'm not worried about weight. If you have a Charlie Brown tree, you might consider hollowing this out. But I'm just working this down now where I'm getting close to that hole to part this off. And see how brave we are and how close we can get to it. But again, I'm trying to get the best tool finish on here that I can get because I'm not going to touch this surface at all. Ow, 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 ow. That's the one thing. The shavings will slap you occasionally. Woo. I'm probably gonna have to part this off with a saw just to be safe. Now let's go for it. You only do this once, right? It worked, just like I expected it to. So I've rounded out a blank of Purpleheart. I'm holding in my jaws, and I just have the tail stock up here for a little bit of safety support. And I'm working on making a tenon that is going to go into the inside of our blank. So I'm going to make a tenon that's going to go into there, and everything's like that. And actually, I didn't glue these in, so see if I can pull this apart. There you go. So it looks like that, and just pops in. This plastic is kind of malleable, so you have a little bit of leeway. This is awesome. But I have taken my calipers here, and I've got them set to the diameter of that hole. And so we'll come in here, and we'll part this down till we get the right diameter, and then we're going to turn the button on that end. There we go. Cool. So I'm going to make the tenon just a little bit longer. Want to pop in there well. Now we're going to go to a little spindle gouge here. And I want to make this top one just nice and flat. Whoop, got to catch. I hit the angle like the tool like that and just skated. So you have to make sure you have it rolled right when you do this and don't get in a hurry. The other issue is the tool rest is a little too far. I'm going to bring this up. There we go. But anyway, I'm going to round this off and make this dome flat. And then once I'm done with the doming part, we're going to figure out how to hang it. So I'm going to have to get a drill bit out, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And now we're going to drill a hole for the hook that's going to hold this thing once it goes on the tree. There we go, got it started. And my next step is I'm going to sand and then put a friction finish on this so it'll be done once it comes off the lathe. And after that, we just wash, rinse, and repeat and do the one that goes on the bottom of the ornament. So we got our three parts. We've got a recycled plastic bulb for the ornament. This is going to be the bottom. This is going to be the top. And that hole I drilled, this is a barbed shank fishing hook. So it's got little, hard to see, little bitty barbs right here. And so they're just perfect for putting in here and going tap, 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 tap. And now it won't come out. So it's in there perfectly nice, right? So let's go to this part. Make sure I'm putting this on the right side. So I might have to do a little tapping on this too because it's a tight fit like I said. I want it to be tight. I don't want it to be loose. This is Purpleheart, so you can beat the crap out of it. There we go. Getting there. Merry Christmas. That looks good. So let's do the bottom. Hopefully it goes a little smoother. Oh yeah, look at that. Now I have a hook here, real fancy one. But that is fun. This recycled material that they sent us is amazing. I'll put a link down in the description where you can find it. But look at that. That is beautiful. So that is how you make a recycled Christmas ornament. Until the next time on Wood Turning, keep turning.
Tim's American Beauty was made by Robust Tools, America's premier lathe manufacturer. Robust. Built to turn wood. Enjoyed for a lifetime.
Easy Wood Tools, best in class carbide wood turning tools.